easy to make, flavorful, kid-friendly recipe of homemade crispy chicken drumsticks. My husband has never liked drumsticks until I made these. Your family will love the crispy, crunchy coating and extra juicy meat on the inside. Watch this video instruction and try it today. Take 7 to 8 chicken drumsticks. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and sweet paprika. I buy fresh chicken drumsticks by the pound. Choose drumsticks of the same size and intact skins. Put in a medium bowl for 20 minutes for marination. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, mix 3 tablespoons finely chopped parsley, 3 grated garlic cloves, 1 squeeze juice from a half of a lemon, 120 milliliters of white yogurt or sour cream, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, mix well. Dip each drumstick into the mixture, then roll in the breadcrumbs. Place on the prepared baking tray. Continue until all drumsticks have been coated. Put small pieces of the butter on top. Bake for 40 minutes at 200 Celsius / 392 Fahrenheit until crispy and golden brown on the outside. Serve hot with pasta or rice. Enjoy your crispy chicken drumsticks. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.